Okay, so we're out doing the second test run in this boat. Our buddy up, Dustin, up at Suncoast has went through the motor and basically told us what's wrong with it. And the good news is, fundamentally, the motor itself is fine. Good compression, no electrical problems. But he did find that there's the oil pump feed motor was bad. There was some water in that old tank, old gas, and you know, the leakages were loose and dry. So, you know, we just chose to probably do that stuff ourselves, which we did this morning, and put fresh oil in the lower unit, and put new oil pumps in, cleaned out the tanks, put new gas in it, greased all the fittings, oiled all the linkages, tightened up a lot of stuff which wasn't tight on the motor, and now we're going to see if it works. Maximilian's already been speaking to various people about repowering it, so he hasn't made a decision on that yet, but the likelihood is he'll put a new motor on it because he loves the boat, and so he wants to make it the best of the best. So we'll see if it gets on plane this time, and see if the buzzers go off. But I'm feeling pretty good. We're optimistic, aren't we, Max? That's scary. We had it up to about 75 and it felt fast. Yeah, I think we need a windshield. Our cheeks are falling off. But yeah, it seems to be running pretty damn good. Up here.
So after installing the new oil pump, we realised it didn't work, and spent quite a long time fault finding the wiring system. Found out what one of the float switches didn't work. The pipes were clogged, removed those, blew them out, cleaned everything, finally got that working, and now the boat is running really well. We also found problems with the wiring harness of the oil system, which was pretty tricky to find, and we had to fix that as well. But all in all, not too bad, and it seems like we've really got a great boat.